Yeah, it's way too long. This has got to be the belt or something else. Alright. Well, I'm going to be not too happy if it's already closed for the night. These belts aren't that expensive. This is the belt. This is the right belt for the tractor. I didn't realize it was the belt for the dry belt. I didn't realize the dry belt broke. So, but that's fine. Now I have a spare belt for the mower deck if I ever have a problem. I will keep that. I won't return that because I want that for the mower deck. So it's blade belts, which is the 93. This is 83. Maybe that 80. Maybe the 83. Because I want the 92. I don't. I think it was an 83 now that I think of it, because it's going to be the shorter one. Ah, nuts. Well, that cut me short tonight. Oh well. What are you going to do? Alright, well. It's the end of that for tonight. Alright, I'm going to try it again. I got a 82 belt this time. And again, my attempt is going to be doing this. Attempt is going to be doing this without having to take the deck off. Oh, yeah. So I guess they pull these off here. Set it right here. All right. So now that's going to go that around. Okay, let's see what I got to do. It's got to go around this, around that, back over there, around that, and then over your tensioning belt. So. Maybe see what I'm doing. This is kind of weird. Go here. It's got to go around that. It's got to go back. Forward. It's got to go forward because it's going to go around. It's going to go around your drive. I'm not ready to do that yet. Get that back over that. That's a tension over there. Now, it's gone around that. Drop this down real quick. It's going to go to the other side and go over the tensioning pulley, like so. And it looks like that. I hope. That's all I had to do is go over this. Gotta go straight across, go around that tensioning pulley. The minute you pull that, once it goes on that, on your drive pulley up front, you're gonna pull that tight. This comes around around that, and then it goes, and now it goes forward. Okay, let's see. All I had to do is pull that, and then we'll be all set. I'll lay down. something. My creeper. Let's see. I think that's all I had to do. So now all I gotta do is pull tight. Just gotta go around here, around the drive. Whoops. You see what I didn't do? It's got to go under that. It's got to go under that. Almost. It's going to go into here. This little thing here under it. My belt. There you go. All right. Little guard there to keep it. I guess it's supposed to keep it on the pulley, but okay. I'm gonna rotate it. Hi, Pooh. Kind of too damn thing. Once you get it started on the pulley, you're ready to rotate it around. Just don't get your finger under the belt. Alright, there you go. Okay. Sweet. Here we are. Awesome. Well, it was quicker than I thought it was going to be. Something I don't like is I think that's the I'm looking at right now, because I did notice on the other belt how it had gotten worn through, and I'm thinking, yep, sure is. This. It's riding on that. I don't like that at all. How do you... I don't know. That's your pickup. When it's sitting down here, the belt is riding on that. That thing's going 200 miles an hour. It's chewing up your belt. See? It's hitting. It's riding on that belt. And I did notice on the other one how it did. It did chew that up. It was chewing on the belt. Huh. Man. I gotta get that out of the way. You know, there's so much. Lots of play there. We're going to do a Sawzall. I'm going to zip that thing off. Don't go down there further. I'm going to take my Sawzall. I'm going to zip that sucker off. I can push that up far enough to do that. Okay. Well, that's all there was to that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Let me stick this puppy back on here. That covers it over. Those bolts back in the holes. Press that forward better. Still not up. Okay. That one's in that one. And that one's in that one. Alright, sweet. Give me my impact. Where's my You know, like I said, I got the new porta kit. Got everything I need. Alright, sweet. Oh, what's this one here? It's a little longer than that last one. Hey, it actually fits. Oh, sweet. A little guide. That's sweet. If you got a screw, put a screw on there, and then you can hide the screw, and then you can pull the screw, pull it up, and now you got the screw guide. You don't have to take your fingers and guide that screw. That's sweet. And it's magnetic. Magnetic. Cool. Alright. Aye. Hey. There you go. Yeah, and then a full tat. Alrighty. Let's cure that. I use that one on a regular basis. Just about. Okay. Right there. And close the door. Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share.